हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑफ क्लास नाइन्थ ई स्टूडेंट। कल आपको न्यूटन्स लॉ के बारे में जानकारी और डेफिनेशन दी थी। कुछ विद्यार्थियों ने इसको पुनः अनदर वे में डिफाइन करने के लिए बताया। सो लेट अस वी नाउ डिस्कस न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन। दिस लॉ describes the behavior of bodies around us which are in a state of rest or in motion in a straight line. Understand? Now we define first law of motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, a body continues to be in a rest, to be in a state of rest or in a state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external forces is applied on the body to change the state. This is the definition of first law. It means that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion will remain in motion unless the body is compelled by some external force to change the state of rest or of uniform, unless the body is compelled by some external force understand. Some basic point for this first law of motion is it should be noted that by saying an external force we mean a force from outside the body. Clear? We hope that you understand the first law of motion. And another way we can say that the Newton's law of motion consists of follows three parts. Number one, a body at rest continues to remain at rest until an external force is applied on the body to move it. Second, a body in uniform motion continues to move uniformly unless an external force is applied to stop it or to change its speed. This is second point. And third point is a body moving along a straight line will continue to move along the same straight line unless an external force is applied on the body to change its direction of motion. This is three main consisting point for first law of motion. This is clearly first law of motion. I hope you, all of you, understand this first law of motion as per your demand. We again discuss this point, this law. Thanks for today.